WW Beds Custom Furniture, and this is my 2-second improvement for the day. One of our struggles have been to make sure that the lock doesn't hit this portion. We go out there and we sand a half moon on our belt sander, but that is an overprocessing. So sometimes if you just change the order of operations, sometimes that helps out. So if you put this on first, it actually will clear because it'll be behind the only thing that really hits is this retaining clip, and if it's already on there, when you put the drawer box on, everything will work perfect.